You can do it. I don't know if I'm getting it. Stop.
Oh, okay, let me get it.
Shit. Okay, stop.
Okay. Yeah. That's great. I got it.
We honked.
We're honking for dance.
We came
noise
back for this.
Around the day.
Here we are.
No U-turn here.
Okay.
Wherever we can do a U-turn.
Honk if you love dance noise. So we love it? Okay, stop
That's
honking.
it.
You're going to get a
I'm
ticket.
honking for dance noise.
You're going to get a ticket. We're
Look,
going to get
you're
a ticket.
honking too. People
Okay.
are honking.
Oh, now they know.
Everyone knows to honk. Look, no reflection today. It looks perfect.
It looks very good. Now they're all honking. Yeah.
For dance noise.
Everybody's honking for dance noise today.
Or maybe just.
And now we're going to turn around and get it again on the other end.
And this is for Jim Vance.
For Vance.
Or James Vance.
Okay. Bugsy loves dance noise.
And he loves it too. He's been hearing it all week.
All weekend. Things are getting wild. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're getting ready. Dance noise. Now we're in traffic because we went back and spun around.
As if we wouldn't be in traffic.
You sacrifice for art.